Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Mandy. We are here again in the Canton Fair Complex, Area D. It's not Canton Fair time, but the Canton Fair Complex are quite busy and packed with people. In today's video, I'm going to show you the equipment for a music concert, a performance, a gala, a TV show, a meeting, and so on. This is a fairly big exhibition in Guangzhou. There are 4 halls. The title of this exhibition is the Get Show 2024, which you can find it on Google. And the word Get Show stands for Guangdong Entertainment Technology Show. Given the variety of combination of sounds and lighting systems, it's difficult for me to showcase the sound or the light or the control system separately. So what I present here is the stage effect combinations, including the combination of lighting, sound, and control systems.
大型 disco，
我已經撈住㗎啦。
disco 好聽。
This is what I see on the exhibitions with my own eyes, without any filters, without sponsorship. Just to clarify, if you're wondering what camera I'm using, so I'm using a DJI Action 3, which is a sport camera because it's light and small. It's very easy for me to carry around without getting tired in 2 to 3 hours. So what can you see in today's video is recorded by a sport camera, not a professional sky-high priced camera. What you can see in this video is very close to what I see with my own eyes. To be honest, of all the exhibitions I've been to, this is the loudest and the most overwhelming one. I'm not saying it's bad, I mean, I just didn't expect to see all of these huge light and sound and control systems and everything. I feel like I'm in a jungle of music concert, because every 20 meters away, there's another music concert, another stage with light shine through your eyeballs and sounds goes through your ear right into your head. best part of this convention is there's a displayed performance, which integrates various lighting designs, sound designs, and control system. It's like this. This is a 15 minutes long demonstration. It would make this video too long if I put it here. So if you're interested in this demonstration, check out my other video in the same playlist, Exhibition in China. I'll add the video link down below in the description box. Well, actually there's more than one demonstration in this exhibition. There are multiples. So I will make the videos separately and add them to my playlist, Exhibition in China. Just to clarify, because of the music and the sound that used in the demonstration, there will be copyright claim from YouTube, so I can't make any money from these demo videos. But that's okay, this is the rules and I respect copyrighted content. Being a content creator myself, I don't want my content to be violated as well, so I totally respect that. But don't worry, the demo video is valid. I'm just here to present, not making any money, so it's fine. If you want to show your support, please hit the like button of my video and share my video to help me grow my channel. I really appreciate it.
请欣赏20号爱高 Number 20 FDB Audio。
Well, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, if you're interested in the sounds and light demonstration videos, check out my other videos in the same playlist, Exhibition in China. I will add the video link down below in the description box. I'm Mandy. I will see you in my next video.